Hello guys, this is me again from Tutorial Point. Today I will show you how to get your Wi-Fi password. It's very easy to get your Wi-Fi password, but first you need any rooted Android device so you can get easily Wi-Fi password. So let's just begin it. If you have EX File Explorer, so just open your EX File Explorer. Here it's saying home page, so just click on it and go to your device. It's your root directory. Just go to your device and search for data folder. Here is data folder. Inside your data folder, search for MISC folder. MISC. Here is your MISC folder. Inside your MISC folder, search for the Wi-Fi folder. Here is your Wi-Fi folder. Inside your Wi-Fi folder, search for a text file which is named VPA. Here it's VPA, and open in your ES Node editor. Here you can see various kind of network SSID, and here's passkey. So this is all the network you have been connected in last days. So, and if you don't know the Wi-Fi password, so you can get easily the Wi-Fi password from it anyone. So just I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching this.